Let's now take a look at what you will be reading in Kenya's bold newspaper tomorrow, the Sunday Standard. Bleak future under fire. Deputy President Kithure Kindiki is walking on political eggshells as uncertainty rocks his stay in power amid faltering influence in Mount Kenya, exposing President William Ruto's underbelly in quest for re-election next year. When he replaced Rigathi Gachagua, the State House inner circle hoped the new DP would keep the central bloc in the fold. But all is not well after an embarrassing week for the UDA party with a resounding defeat in Ol Kalou. Now, Nyanza, Western, and even Coast are pushing their own as President Ruto's best bet for re-election. Will the professor survive? That story is on pages 6 and 7. Make sure you grab yourself a copy of the Sunday Standard and get to read about that.